So, good evening, Torrance City Council. My name is Arthur Shopper. I've lived in the city for the greater part of my life. I went to another city council meeting, Tustin, 3 weeks ago. That city, like this city, had issued a letter to the state legislature opposing Senate Bill 54, otherwise known as the Sanctuary State Law. So even though it's passed, residents in that city continue to ask the city council to take a formal stance against the law. Even though the final law had been amended, the citizens still wanted their city on record opposing the Sanctuary State Law. I would like my city to be on that list. 53 cities now have joined the outcry against the Sanctuary State Law. 14 counties have joined with the lawsuit. I don't see why this city should continue to drag its feet. I've announced and I'll continue to announce, and I hope with more people in this audience that they understand that this is an action that's very easy and it won't cost anything. This is why. First, a resolution, and second of all, to join with the lawsuit that was filed by the city of Huntington Beach. Why? Because SB 54, it violates the local control and the charter powers that are assigned to this city and the other cities. The city of Tustin didn't turn into a circus, because I don't think citizens who want to see opposition to this law announced by their city, I don't think that they're clowns. I think that they're reasonable citizens who expect the rule of law in their city. So there's just no reason to delay on this. We need to be joining with this. This lawsuit has now gone to federal circuit courts. It will probably go to the Supreme Court. And every city that adds itself to this list, whether through amicus brief or joinders or through separate lawsuits, helps to make the case. Sanctuary cities, sanctuary states, it is a violation of our country's sovereignty, the rule of law, our constitutional governance. There is no reason why we should be dragging our feet on this. And I have to say, the residents in Tustin, they made about 10 visits to their city council before they got the city to make up its mind and take a stand. I've got patience, but I don't think we should be dragging our feet any further. And I hope that more people who are hearing this today and throughout the week will start to bombard this city council. Show some spine, take a stand on this. It won't cost anything. I can get you in touch with the city attorney in Huntington Beach, who is looking for people to join with his lawsuit. And by the way, there are further assaults against our home rule as a charter city besides this. There's another reason to join with that lawsuit. I mean, SB 946 was just signed into law, which is basically decriminalizing all street vending. I mean, this is just a further erosion on the rights of cities to determine what happens in their borders. So this is a no-brainer. You should be on record opposing this sanctuary state law. Thank you.